In the previous lesson and the previous session, we have discussed about the compare to method. Compare to method is used to compare the two strings lexicographically. Here we have like given an example. We have taken an example and we have explained the compare to method. If two strings are equal, so it will be returning a zero. If the string one is greater than string two, it will return the positive number. If string one is less than string two, it will return the negative number. This is what we have discussed. Let's take a real-time scenario. Okay, my real-time scenario is like, there is a contact list. Okay, what I want to do is I want to display the contacts based on the uh, uh, display the contacts in alphabetical order. Okay, so I have written my question over here. So you can see, imagine we have a contact list for a phone book. We need to display the names in alphabetical order. So I'll be taking string array to store the contacts. Okay, so I'll say these are the contacts I have. I'll be storing all them in string array. I'll say John, Sina, and I'll write Wayne, Johnson, Shimas, and I'll take CM Punk. So these are the contacts I have. Okay, what I'll do is I'll sort these contacts. Then I'll compare these contacts with one another. So how I'll do? There is a predefined method called sort, which will be taking. You can see this method I am going to use. Okay, so the comparator will be internally is comparator is having a method called compare to. We will be using that compare to method to compare these two strings. Okay, so here first we have to pass the contacts, comma. See, if you compare to method, I'll be using the lambda expressions. So here the compare to method will be taking the two strings, string one and string two. What I'll do is I'll say string one dot compare to of a string two. Okay, so this will sort this contacts list. Okay, so once it's sorted, now I want to display this, right? So for loop, I'll take this. This is a for loop actually. So it's kind of a for loop. Yeah. So we have a context. Now we want to read the contacts one by one. Okay. So context is a string array, and I want to read the values from array to a string. Okay. So now I'll display this out. Here I'll write the contact. Okay. Fine. Simple, right? So what I have done over here, I have created a string array with some contacts. Then what I'm doing is I'm performing sorting operation on this contacts. Okay, so this sort operation, this sort method will be taking two parameters. One is the contacts, that is string array, and another it is taking the comparator. So comparator internally will be having a compare to method. So we are using compare to method will be used to compare the two strings. So here we are giving the two strings in a parameter. Okay, we are comparing the two strings str1 dot comparator of str2. Okay, so let's run this one. Run as Java application. You can see the output. See, Dwayne Johnson, John Cena, Shimas, CM, because here we have added capital C, because these are uppercase letters will be added at first, then this is one. This is the one. So this is the output. Okay, if I change this from here, small case to the capital case. So what would be the response? Let's check. So now the C will come first. See, CM Punk, Dwayne Johnson, and Sheamus. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that Java is case sensitive. That's all for now. Let's meet you in next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the videos with your friends and families. Thank you for watching my videos.